Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by securing your data and ensuring power and connectivity. First, back up to iCloud or your computer so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once backed up, plug the device into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Large updates need a solid connection. Make sure you have around 5 to 10 GB free, then open Settings, tap General, and hit Software Update to check for iOS 16. This gets the process moving immediately. You'll now download and prepare the update. Tap Download and Install, read and accept the terms, and enter your passcode when prompted to authorize system changes. The phone will verify the package and may prepare the update in the background. This can take several minutes depending on your device and network. Once verification finishes, choose Install Now or schedule it for later. Make sure the device stays plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi so the download and installation proceed without interruption. After installation, the device will reboot automatically. Let it finish and follow any brief on-screen setup prompts like signing into Apple ID or updating apps. Once you're back at the home screen, go to Settings, General About to confirm the iOS 16 build number. If apps or settings behave oddly, give the device a minute to reindex. Troubleshooting tip: if the update freezes on the Apple logo, force restart the iPhone. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.